Hello and welcome back to my channel where I share videos to help creatives get established and get seen online. In today's video, I'm going to share 6 Instagram content ideas for my musician friends, and we're gonna go beyond just reels so you can give your Instagram feed some variation. If you want to strengthen your Instagram's branding, graphics, reach, shareability, video content, and exposure, you're in the right place. So let's dive in. Idea number 1 is all about branding. Whether you are a solo artist or in a band, I want you to create a hashtag for yourself. And not only that, I want you to encourage people to use it. I know you might already have a hashtag, that might be old news, but are you encouraging people to use it? When you're on stage performing, are you telling people who are taking those stories to tag your account and tag your hashtag? I don't know. When you are sending out merch from your website store, are you sending it out with a little card that says, I would love to see a picture of you in your new t-shirt, share about it on Instagram, here's my handle and here's my hashtag? I don't know. Or just in general, using it on Instagram and encouraging your followers when they share your music to use your hashtag. Not only does this give you a great way to connect with your fans and see what they're saying about you and encourage them to do more of this, but it also gives those people's friends a way to find and connect with you as well. If someone is sharing about your music, but that person's not tagging you, then their friends or followers might not be able to find you or fall in love with you the same way that their friend has. So use a hashtag, not only use it, but encourage your fans to use it as well. Idea number 2 is all about graphics, and you do not have to be a graphic designer to pull this idea off, which is to share lyric graphics. The perks of this one are that, 1, you can set up a Canva account and create these graphics for free, and 2, you've already written songs, so you're not having to go create new content in order to share lyric graphics. Pull lyrics that you've heard resonate with your fans the most and create lyric cards out of those. Or what's your most popular song on Spotify? Create a lyric card for that. Or what's your favorite song? Maybe you need to share about that with your fans. You can create a lyric card and in your caption, share a more detailed story about why you wrote the song or what the song really means to you. Not only is this a great way to add your music to your feed without actually performing the music, but it's also a way to get your brand recognizable. So when you create that lyric graphic and you use your branded colors and your branded fonts, whenever you continue to share those and they all look consistent, people will start recognizing those posts as you without even having to see who made the post. Number 3 is about your reach on Instagram. So I bet, just like we talked about lyric graphics, that before you play a show, you also share a graphic about your upcoming show or shows. So before you do that next time, make the caption and say, if anyone has a friend in one of these cities, tag them below. That way, not only are you getting comments on your post, which is great for your reach, but you're asking your fans to help you do the promotion, which is a lot of help. If your best friend tagged you in a comment like this and said, this is my favorite band, you have to go see them, they're coming to your city, chances are at least you would check out the band's Instagram and probably give them a follow. And if you were free, you'd probably go to the show. Number 4, okay, we've been doing a lot of self-promotion so far with these ideas. Number 4 is all about shareability, and to be shared, sometimes you have to share about others. So for number 4, I want you to share stories when you go to other artists' shows. 2 things about this one. Not only are they likely to then reshare your story to their stories and get your name and your story in front of their audience, but 2, it just shows your fans that you're not all self-absorbed and all about yourself and that you do genuinely love music. Number 5 is all about video, and that is, don't forget why people are following you and even why you're on Instagram in the first place, and that is all about your music. Don't forget to share your music. Whether you're performing a cover or an original song, make sure you're doing that through video so people can experience your music other than just going to other platforms to stream it and listen to it. We all know that video is doing well on Instagram these days, so I don't care whether it's like an IGTV, a regular post, if you go live, or if you share a reel, make sure you're incorporating video into your content. And you don't have to try so hard coming up with video ideas because you create music. So share that. That's why people are there following you in the first place. So don't make it too hard. Just share your music. Comment below. I would love to hear what type of content is working best for you on Instagram right now. Everybody is a little bit different, but it's always great to hear ideas and what's working for someone else, maybe to spark an idea for ourselves. So share below what's working best for you, and then go through the comments and see what other people are doing too for some more inspiration. Number 6 is about exposure. Now, to get found and discovered by people outside of just your little bubble on Instagram, you're gonna have to put yourself out there in different ways. So this idea is less about sharing content, but more about engaging and kind of sharing your name out there. So for this one, I want you to comment on posts of other artists who have an audience similar to the one you have or to the one that you are growing. Not only does commenting regularly, and when I say regularly, I don't mean just emojis, I mean leaving genuine comments on other artists' posts, encourage them to maybe follow you or comment back on your posts, but it puts your name out there for others to see and others to click over and find about your music. And chances are, if they're doing that, they are a fan of the person whose post you commented on, and they'll be a fan of your music too. So it's kind of a win-win in both situations. You are giving another artist some love, and in return, growing your exposure. If you liked these Instagram content ideas, I have a checklist you're going to love. It has over 100 social media content ideas for you. It's free and it's on my website at designingtheroad.com. I'll also leave a description below this video so you can get a quick link to go grab that. If these Instagram content ideas were helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you Thursday in next week's video.